Hello, in this video I will show you how to change subtitles in YouTube TV. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then just simply head over to your YouTube TV. Now after that, just simply wait for a few seconds. Now after that, in order to change any subtitles, first just simply open any of the show, like for example this one over here. So just simply wait for a few seconds again. Now in order to change the subtitle, you will need to go to the subtitle section, which will be available at the very bottom right hand side corner of the video. So click on that option and then you will be able to see some type of subtitles, as you can see right over here. Now in order to change any subtitle, you will need to go to the settings menu now, and right over here you will be able to see your subtitles /CC section. Click on this section right over here, and then depending on the video that you're watching, there will be different type of subtitles in different languages if the owner of the video have actually provided that. So what I mean is, like for example, there are 2 different type of subtitles right over here, and in some cases there might be 10 or 20 different type of subtitle options right over here, which will give you different type of languages. But for this particular video, there are only 2 forms. So there is no actual option of changing the subtitle from outside, because the only time that you will be able to actually change subtitle is through this menu right over here. And if the provider of the video have not added different type of subtitles, you will not be able to change it. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.